Okay, we're going to talk about probability and odds for or against, or in favor or against. So odds in favor is the ratio of the probability that event will occur to the probability that an event won't. And this often gets kind of tricky because it's not like probability versus will occur divided by total possibilities. This piece is different. Okay, so for instance, up here, 1 out of 6 chance of rolling a 3, but the odds in favor would have been a 1 to 5 because you had a one opportunity to get it, but 5 to not get it. But you do understand that these would add up to that. Okay, odds against is the ratio that the event will not occur to the probability that the event will occur. So just the opposite of this one. Okay, Sally holds all the cards from a standard deck. Determine the odds in favor of Morgan choosing a face card. So there's going to be 13 hearts. So determine getting the face card. So you're going to have the Jack of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, and the King of Hearts. So the odds in favor, she would have 3 opportunities to get what she wants. And how many would not be that? It would be a 10. The probability of an expecting mother to have twins is 1 to 32. Okay, so that's a probability, not an odds. What are the odds in favor of a mother having twins? So favor would be 1 to, this would be 31. Because you know that this adds to that. There's 1 chance of getting it, 31 opportunities to not. So the odds against would therefore be 31 to 1. A computer randomly selects a university student's name from the database and awards a $100 gift certificate for the bookstore. The odds against the selected student being male are that. Determine the probability that the randomly selected student will be male. Okay, so the odds against them being male, so this would be girls, this would be boys. So determine the probability that it is male. So 43 males out of probability is the total options. So the total. So then this would be 43 out of 100. It's a probability, or you can represent probability as decimals as well, or as percents as well. A hockey game is ended in a tie after a 5-minute OT period, so the winner will be decided by shootout. The coach must decide whether Ellen or Brittany should go first in the shootout. The coach would prefer to use her best scorer first, so she will base her decision on the players' shootout records. Who should go first? Okay, so I would like to figure this out by using probability. So 8 out of 13. So that's a 61.5% chance, and 10 out of 17 equals 0.588. So I would pick Ellen. A group of 12 students are holding a charity carnival to support a local animal shelter. The students have created a dice game that they call BIM and a card game they call Zap. The odds against winning BIM are 5 to 2, and the odds against winning Zap are 7 to 3. Which game should she play? Okay, so to win this, so to win BIM, so this is against, So she'd had 2 chances out of 7. That would be the probability to win that game. So the odds against Zap. So now to win Zap, there's 3 and then out of 10. So I know that is a 0.3 if we want to compare decimals or percents, and 2 divided by 7 is 0.2857. So which scheme should she play? Better chance of winning Zap.